Now I am going to find the volume of this solid, which is a cone, and also I complete these calculations. What do you do? Here he is saying this is a mold. You have to make the candles, 300 candles, using this mold, which is conical in shape. For that, first you have to find the volume of the cone. For that, you should know what is its height, and given height is 10 inches. Therefore, I write 10 inches. And then what is the given diameter? The diameter is given as 5 inches, and in the formula it demands radius. So radius is 5 divided by 2. I get 2.5 inches. And afterwards, I have to write the formula for the volume. Volume is 1/3 pi radius square times height. So if I substitute all these values, pi as 3.14 and radius times radius and times height. So if I substitute radius as 2.5 here and 2.5 here, and I have to write h value as 10. So on calculator, if you do, you will get some cubic inch. This part you have to do using calculator. Now this type of cones we have 300. We have to make 300 candles. So total 300 candles volume. So total volume of 300 candles, that is bigger V, is equal to, I have to write 300 times this volume of each cone. Then you will get total, you have to get 19626 cubic inch. So this is the volume of the total 300 candles. Now in this question, what is he asking? The total weight you have to calculate. Each cubic inch is weighing 0.65 ounce. So 0.65 ounce, if you multiply with the total weight, that is total volume is 19626 cubic inch. Then you will get total weight. This you do using calculator, then you will get total ounces. Next, after getting that, each ounce is weighing, each ounce of this wax is of $0.20. That means 20 cents. So therefore, how much is the total cost? So wax 1 ounce cost, how much is given? $20.20 per ounce. How many ounces we have? This number of ounces we have. So total cost, if you want, for this wax, total cost of wax used in making these 300 candles is 0.20 times total number of ounces. This number you will get from here to here. Whatever the number you have, that if you do, you will get totally, you must get 2551.38. That means $2,551.38. This you have to do using calculator, this number. And then, so I am estimating total cost. For moles, it is $47.63 given. And for wax we got 2,551.38. If you add these two using calculator, you will get total cost. This is total cost. I am not writing this value, you have to do this. And then he is selling 2.10. This is wrongly given. It should be 12.10. You just add one for this number. So $12.10 for each candle. So like that, total selling price is this 12.10 times 300. When you do, you will get nearly some, I think we had to get $3,600. But when you add, you will get some cost as for production of these 300 candles. This will be more than this, therefore we get profit. And he is asking, what is Walter's profit? So Walter's profit is this selling price minus this cost of producing these 300 candles. If you subtract, you will definitely get the gain. How many dollars you have to estimate? This is how you have to complete this. Thank you.